Hello friends, it's Emma here. Today we're going to draw a super cute birthday cake together. First, I'll draw the cake body. Let's start with the top layer. Then draw the bottom layer. Go slowly so the lines stay straight. Next, I'll add 3 candles. Aha! This must be a birthday cake for someone turning 3 years old. Now I'll decorate the cake with little hearts. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That makes a total of 6 hearts. Now, let's outline the cake a bit so it looks neater. Next, it's time to color. Yellow. I'll start with 3 yellow flames for the candles. Color carefully so it doesn't go outside the lines. Then for the candle bodies. Orange. The first will be orange. Green. The second will be green. Red. And the third will be red. They look so bright and cheerful. Now I'll color the frosting on the top layer of the cake. Pink and sweet. Oh wow! The magic wand has lit up all 3 candles. Brown. The frosting on the bottom layer will be brown, probably chocolate flavor. I really love chocolate. Next, let's color the heart decorations. Red. The 2 hearts in the middle will be bright red. Blue. The 2 hearts on top will be blue. Pink. And the 2 hearts on the bottom will be lovely pink. Time to color the body of the cake. Yellow. The top part will be bright yellow. green. The bottom part will be fresh green. The cake is so colorful, it looks bright and happy. Makes me want to eat it right away. I also wish I had a birthday cake like this for myself. Do you think this birthday cake looks beautiful? All done. Today's drawing was so much fun. I hope to see you again in the next video.